Hi everyone. Today we are going to create scenario manager in Excel to help understand and plan monthly expenses better. So let's take an example. Imagine you earn 30,000 per month and you pay 10,000 for rent and 5,000 for food, 3,000 for travel, 2,000 for other expenses. The total amount you spend each month, that is 20,000, and out of 30,000 you earn 10,000 each month. So now we are going to create different scenario, so such as high spending and low spending. This will help you compare each situation and decide which spending plan help you save the most. So now what we have to do this. First, we need to select those cells: rent, food, travel, others. Select those rents from rent to others, and after that go to the data. Then after that go to what if analysis, and after that click on scenario manager, and after that click on add. And here we need to name the scenario name. There is first is high spending, and make sure that changing cell should be filled up in this box, that is rent, food, travel. So after that click on OK. Now here you can see the value. So now we are going to change the value, since that our scenario name is that is high spending. So for that we are going to change, that is all the value, that is 12,000 for 12,000 for rent, that is 6,000 for food, and 4,000 for travel, and 3,000 for, that is other expenses. Now click on OK. Now here you can see the high spending scenario name has been created. So next we are going to create, that is low spending. Click on add menu again, and after that here name it, there is low spending, and make sure that you select those cells. First you click here, select like this, and after that click OK. Now again I'm going to change the value, since that my scenario name is, that is low spending, that is going to the value will be 9,000 for rent, and here going to be 3,000 for food, and here there is 1,500, there is 1,500 for travel and other expenses, there is going to be 1,000. So let me recheck. 9,000 for rent, 3,000 for food, 1,500 for, that is travel, and 1,000 for, that is other expenses. So now click on OK. Now we are going to get the output. To get the output, so for that what we have to do is just click on summary, and after that it will display like this, scenario summary, and after that it will be so like this. OK, just click on OK. Now here you can see the output of the scenario manager. So here you can see that since that this is the current value, 10,000 for rent, 5,000 for food, 3,000 for travel, other expenses for 2,000. So high spending here, that is, suppose if I pay for 12,000 for rent, right? 6,000 for food, 4,000 for travel, 3,000 for other expenses, that I can save how much? 5,000 each month. But here, low spending. If I spend 9,000 for rent and 3,000 for food, 1,500 for travel, and 1,000 for there is other expenses, so that I can save each month that is 15,500. So this is how you can create this is scenario manager. So I hope you understand. So friends, if you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. See you next video. Bye.